Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to me with like leaking from many spots. It was leaking from the safety valve and from under the safety valve also. So after even when I replaced it, it was still leaking from the bottom of it. So I tied it again and made a tune-up, replaced all the gaskets and all the moving parts and the side gasket, and even there is two gaskets in here and there. It gets replaced, and there is like another very deep gasket all the way in the group head, in where the piston going through, and the gaskets all around the piston, and the gasket in the group head itself. So this is the placed ones, but not this is, I believe there is some of the, yeah, and there is also gasket here. It get replaced. A lot of these gaskets get replaced, and let's go ahead and make a espresso shot on it.
No, literally, like customers, all the customers make connections with block my number straight to voicemail. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm coming here to try giving it one more world. Yeah. You know, be good at the place. Yeah. I'm very precise. Taught myself. My predecessor didn't teach me jack, so I had to learn on my own. Ryan was there for me. He was there for me every step of the way.
This is really nice shot.
Ryan? Ryan, yeah. Yeah, I talk to him all the time. Dude, he's my boy. Yeah.
With some creamer on it.
Oh, really?
And
I talk to him when I need, like, usually when I have a machine.
it's really tasty too.
He's one of the guys, or if I call him, it's very rare that I call him. If I call him, we're gonna get sidetracked. Yeah, I'm gonna tell him about the machine. But after that, it was just like, well, no,
steam. Perfect too. No more any leaks from the steam. The safety valve, that was really annoying, and it's all perfect now. Thank you for watching.